Hi, my name is Zed, and today I will be talking about reducing waste construction by design. Let's begin with a clear understanding of what construction waste is. Construction waste refers to materials that are discarded from a construction site due to damage, excess ordering, improper planning, or non-compliance with design specification. These materials were either never used or had to be removed from the site due to poor execution. These include things like broken bricks, offcuts of the timber, surplus concrete, then packaging waste, and even whole prefabricated components that do not fit due to inaccurate planning. According to Osmani in his research, this type of waste is not just costly, it also harms the environment and undermines project efficiency. Waste reduction by design is a solution that starts right at the design phase. It's about designing smarter and choosing construction methods, materials, and systems that minimize waste from the beginning. The idea is if we make better design decision early on, we avoid generating waste later. Now, let's explore the challenges that stand in the way of effective waste reduction. There is two different stage, which is pre-construction stage and construction stage. In pre-construction stage, it involves planning, design, and material procurement. The challenge includes lack of coordination and standardization. When different teams use different specifications or materials, it results in mismatch and excess ordering. Next is over ordering of materials, often caused by poor planning. Then the third one is damage during delivery and loading due to improper handling. And then the fourth one is a poor communication among teams, which creates a confusion and inefficiency. Other than that, there is a reluctance to adopt modular design and digital tools. And then we have budget-driven compromise, where cost saving is over important other than sustainability and efficiency. While in the construction stage, it includes poor craftsmanship, which leads to material rework and waste. And then we have ineffective site management, which increasing disorder and mistakes. Other than that, we have inadequate supervision, which reduce quality control. And then, along with the site, time pressure, which often result in rush and then wasteful practices. And finally, improper handling and storage, leading to material damage and loss. So, how do we reduce waste through design? So, here are the key strategies, which is improving design recycling potential. By designing building with recyclable material and components, we enable easier reuse in the future. Other than that, we move on to reducing dangerous material levels. Limiting hazardous substance ensure safer disposal and easier recycling. And then we introducing the take back requirement. Supply chain contracts can include conditions where supplier reclaim unused material for reuse. Then that, we're going on to using building information modeling, BIM. This digital tool enhance collaboration, clash detection, and accurate material estimation. And then we embracing the prefabrication. Off-site manufacturing of components reduce on-site errors and material wastage. Then we moving on to setting clear waste reduction goal. Establishing targets early in the project ensures all stakeholders are aligned in minimizing waste. Other than that, reducing dangerous material level, which limiting hazardous substance ensures safer disposal and easier recycling. Next, I'm moving on with the benefits of waste reduction by design are numerous and long-lasting. It drives long-term cost saving by reducing material purchase and disposal expenses. Infrastructure for recycling is improved, making future projects even more efficient. There is a significant reduction in environmental impact as less material ends up in landfills. The need for waste management system is reduced. Other than that, it helps close the recycling loop, promoting a circular economy. And then, construction efficiency is enhanced, saving both time and resource. Next, time and workflow management improve with better planning. Finally, it contributes to meeting certification requirements and offer legal and policy advantage in an increasingly sustainability-focused industry. So, we're moving on to a case study. So, let's take a real-world example like the Diamond Building in Putrajaya, Malaysia. This building is a model of sustainable design and was awarded the Green Building Index Platinum rating. Here's how it achieved waste reduction by design. Firstly, the structure has an optimized shape, reducing material use and improving energy performance. The construction phase was managed efficiently, minimizing waste. Other than that, designer used recyclable and locally sourced material, lowering transportation emission and promoting regional economies. The building was designed for disassembly, which allowed material to be reused at the end of its life. It also adopted modular construction elements, improving build speed and reducing errors. This building proved that sustainable design is not only possible, but also practical and efficient. To conclude, waste reduction by design is a powerful, proactive strategy that helps tackle construction waste from the very beginning of a project. By implementing methods like prefabrication, digital design tools such as BIM, better planning, and eco-conscious material choices, construction teams can reduce waste significantly. This does not just cut costs, it also improves project performance, reduce environmental impacts, and support the circular economy in construction. Ultimately, by embracing waste-conscious design, we take a crucial step toward building a more sustainable and responsible future in the built environment. Thank you.